Should I renovate my home in today's market before listing it? Hi, I'm Caitlin Wright.
And Mary Kay Wright.
With the Wright Choice from App Properties, Christie's International Real Estate in St. Charles.
Are you currently looking to list your property but are wondering what you need to fix up or how much renovation you should do before you list? In today's market, many sellers wonder how much work they should do before listing and is it worth it? The answer to this question is yes and no, depending upon what's happening in your local market. In today's market, increased inventory has given buyers more options than previous years.
This means as a homeowner, you may not be able to ignore some updates or repairs that may not have been necessary or that could have been overlooked in previous months.
In a recent article from Realtor.com, to stand out in today's market, sellers should make their home attractive to buyers, which usually means some selective updates.
However, since we are still in a seller's market, renovating a few key areas in your home may be enough to make your house stand out from the competition, and you will need to consider the return on your investment.
According to the 2022 Remodeling Impact Report from the National Association of Realtors, hardwood flooring, refinishing, and putting in new wood flooring has the most significant value in today's market.
Also, which just as important, is to make sure your real estate agent knows of any upgrades you've previously done. This way they can be properly marketed to make buyers aware of your features and improvements.
Finally, the best recommendation is to spend your time and money wisely by consulting with a professional agent to see where the best focus should be.
Feel free to reach out to us so we can go over the best strategy of renovations to optimize the sale of your home with the best return on your investment.
Thanks for watching.